Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm joined with,
John Smith with Guarantee Rate Affinity.
and John and I did an interview several months ago where we had talked about various things with the lending portion. And today we're having a follow-up Friday. John's going to introduce you to some of one of the products, one of the programs that it's been very widely spoken of and highly successful, and that's the buy down 2-for-1 program. So John's going to give some insight on that, what to expect, and how valuable it is as an asset for you as a buyer.
Thank you, Peter. So so a big product right now that we are trying to push out into the market is called a 2-1 buy down, and the reason we have this, and it's been around for years, is because of all the talk about interest rates being high, and so basically what we do is we buy the interest rate down for the first couple of years. We can actually stretch it out as many as 3 years, so that the consumer will get lower interest rates, lower payments for the first few years. So we can either do a 3-2-1 buy down, which gives you a 3% effective interest rate at a lower payment during the first year, 2% lower in the second year, and then 1% in the third.
Okay,
Yeah.
excellent.
And so, there's a couple different iterations of the program, but the bottom line is that the payments will be lower for the initial term on the loan. And the thought behind that is that, hopefully the interest rates over the next couple of years come down, and so that you can refinance and get into a lower interest rate permanently. And
Okay.
so it's a good short-term fix to get you into the property, get you at a little bit more of a comfortable payment, and then hopefully, once inflation and everything gets back in order, the interest rates will come back down to refinance.
Okay,
So,
great.
yeah.
And there's one other thing that came to mind as I'm hearing you talk about this, because people have their misconceptions, concerns about whether it's a good time to buy, what's the incentive now to buy. One other subject, real quick: Hometown Heroes program that's offered. Can you cover that a little too?
Yeah. So last year, DeSantis signed into law this program for Hometown Heroes, and
Who qualifies for that in particular?
oh gosh, there's probably 55, 60 different types of employment, but veterans automatically will qualify.
Okay.
There's a ton of different medical professions: EMTs, firefighters, police officers.
Okay, yeah.
So call Peter, and we can get you the list over. But with the program, you get up to 5% of your loan amount that can be used towards down payment or closing costs. And we use that in connection with FHA, USDA, FHA, conventional, or VA financing.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you, John.
Yeah.
So, follow up Friday. Powerful message for you as a buyer. If you have a need for a program that fits your buying need, give me a call and I'll put you in touch with John or any lender who can help you with that particular program that we spoke of. Thanks for following up with us today and watching Follow Up Friday. Thanks, John, for your message.
Yeah.
Appreciate
Thanks,
it. Good stuff.
Yeah, man.
All right. Take care.
All right.
Bye, everyone.